Om Namah Shivaya. I'm back again about workshops. Someone has commented on the previous video saying that how do I get confidence to conduct workshop? You need confidence to conduct workshop. How? So you have two options. So go to puja room and sit in front of Lord Shiva. Shiva, Shiva, give me confidence, give me. Shiva is not going to give confidence. How to get confidence? How to conduct? See, when you conduct a workshop with confidently, the students who are attending the workshop will join to your classes. So confidence is very, very important. How to get this confidence? A genuine request. Remember always, confidence comes with the knowledge. That is why I always recommend, as soon as you become a yoga teacher, write down on your notebook, next 6 months, every week I will attend one workshop, minimum one workshop, minimum 27 workshops in 6 months. And you have to conduct 27 workshops. See, no person on the planet Earth is expert on the day one. When I conducted my first workshop, it was so ugly. So many mistakes I did. So what you do? First start. For example, you want to learn swimming. So standing outside the water, I want to swim. I'm not getting confidence. No, jump into the water. Once you enter into the water, you will learn swimming. If you stand outside, it doesn't happen. So you have to conduct. So prepare well. Pick up a simple topic to conduct workshop to begin with. Example, I say yoga for beginners. You teach simple warm-ups, simple sun salutations, simple asanas, and simple relaxation techniques. Now, another thing I want to request all the yoga teachers. See, with one workshop, it is impossible to impress anybody because in the society, the minds are totally disturbed. So I recommend all the new yoga teachers conduct a 3 days workshop, yoga for beginners, and say to for stress relief and weight loss. So many people are suffering with stress. Many people are suffering with obesity. So both the category people will come. And stress relief and weight loss is very, very easy for yoga teachers. Remember this one. So on the third day, if they attend day 1, day 2, day 3, the students feel good. Okay, something is happening. And then they will join for your regular classes. This you have to remember. Now, another thing, always remember, initial days you have to conduct at free of cost. This is option 1. Now, if you are working in some corporate companies, you are like a college student, you have a lot of friends, or you are a business person, you have a lot of network, you should charge, because in the society, free means some people don't respect. Free means they join on day 1, they don't join day 2. So understand your situation, understand the crowd, accordingly you conduct. Now, when you are conducting workshop, you will finish relaxation, warm-up, sun salutation, you will finish it. But how to impress them? In my next video, I will share that. Om Namah Shivaya.